Run Python scripts without explicitly invoking Python. I'm using Debian Linux. I was wondering if there was a way to configure to run all Python scripts in the terminal by typing script.py instead of python script.py.
There are two things you need to do. Make sure the file is executable, chmod plus x script.py. Use a shebang to let the kernel know what interpreter to use. The top line of the script should read. This assumes that your script will run with the default Python. If you need a specific version, just specify in the shebang. Now you can type. If the script is in your current directory, or if the location of the script happens to be in your path, or otherwise.
Under Linux you can simply use the hashbang aka shebang. Add the line. If you want to execute the default Python interpreter, to use some specific version, or if you want the environment to find Python for you. You will also be required to make the script executable.
Use. This will ensure that the Python the user expects to be used will be the one that runs the script. This is especially important if the user is using virtualenv to have a specific version of Python in a given environment.
Add the following line to the top of the script to run default Python interpreter. To specify the Python version, then add the version number after Python. If you have a local build of Python and would like to use that, then you will need to make your script executable by running the following command. To run the script,
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.